Hello, my name is Stephen Mendes and I am showing you some common plants around Barbados in this video. Right now you are looking at Acacia javanica tree. They bear a beautiful sprays of pink and white flowers, as you can see in the video, and they are a particularly beautiful sight around the landscape of Barbados at June-July. Now here you are seeing the pink king of flower. This is quite a beautiful plant, but it is only seen in cultivated gardens. It is not seen in the wild around Barbados. But in the gardens it can be seen in pink, lilac or light purple, and white. Those are the three colors for it, of which the pink is the most common. Now we are seeing some more of it here against this tree. I wanted to take an extra clip so that you could study the flower in detail and appreciate the beauty of both the quality as well as the plant. Now here we are looking at Coralita. This is a shrub, vine, that grows on top of everything. And this grows quite wild all over Barbados. In fact, it's considered a nuisance because it grows on top of other growth, but it is very pretty when it bears, and the bees like to light upon it and feed upon it. There is a honeybee right now there. You're seeing a honeybee there flying around and going on the Coralita. It has a heart-shaped leaf, as you can see, and is very pretty. There's the bee lighting on the Coralita. Now here is some mother-in-law's tongue. This is a plant that grows all about. You see it in the gullies and everything. And it is also raised as a house plant in temperate climates. It just has a pretty leaf pattern, as you can see in the video. Here we see the yellow Allamanda, also quite a common flower. It is also available in pink and a hybrid version with larger larger size flower. But as you can see here, the yellow one is particularly beautiful and is quite easy to grow. Doesn't require any special care, and is very common across Barbados, flowering at this time. Over there in the distance, here we see the Enda. This is not native to Barbados. It was brought in some years ago, I think, from Trinidad. But the Enda is available in red, pink, and white. This is a pink one that you're looking at here. And it bears like a bract. It's a bract flower. But it also has a small yellow flower that comes out the middle of it. Now here's the croton. Crotons are very common all over Barbados. And the croton grows as a house plant overseas as well. Now here we're looking at the Mexican rose. This is quite a rare species, a Mexican rose bush. It's more like a cactus. It has fleshy stems and also the thorns that you would associate with a cactus plant. The flowers only open till around the high noon. Early in the morning the flowers open, past noon they're closed. And this one has grown into quite a prolific tree. You will not see it in the wild. It's only in gardens, but it's not that particularly difficult to grow. It likes a rocky soil and not too much water, which is typical of most cactus plants. Too much water will kill it, but a nice rocky dry soil is what it thrives in.